Hello friends, welcome to the new log. We are in South Island of New Zealand and today I'm going to take you to Hanmer Springs. It's close to Christchurch, takes around 1.5 hours to reach there. Beautiful landscapes as you can see. Hanmer Springs is 138 kilometers from Christchurch and takes around 1.5 hours to reach there. So now we have reached Hanmer Springs. As you can see, beautiful view of the Waiau River. Just look at it and enjoy the scenery. So friends, what we'll be doing today is the jet boat ride in this river. Stay tuned. We'll pass that bridge when we are going to do that jet boat adventure ride. And that's the bridge that we were watching before. Now we have reached the Hanmer Springs attractions. Here you can book your tickets if you haven't done it online before. The cost of the ticket is $125 per person, and for the kids it's $70. And that's the Waiau River where we are going to do the jet boat ride. Make sure you reach here before 1 hour of your trip to have the safety briefing, and they will provide the life jackets as well. Now we have started our adventurous boat ride, as you can see, and that's the spin. I will give you a little bit more information about this boat. It runs on twin V8 engine which runs at the speed of 90 km per hour, as you can see, and you can feel it as well. And this boat runs just few centimeters of the water, rotating through a 360-degree spin in this action-packed experience. Now it's gonna do it. And that's the spin. Look at it. The jet boat operator is very informative and timely. He will signal us to wave our hands for the photos, and now he's signaling for the 360-degree spin. And there you go. Amazing. And that's how it looks like. Not over it. It will take us around 10 kilometers one way and again 10 kilometers back. We'll be going through the narrow gorges, over the rapids and the braided shallows in the spectacular Waiau River Canyon. Look at how it takes the turns. Just so thrilling. Look at it. He's signaling again for that 360-degree spin now. And wow. And yeah, be prepared to get wet as well. So what to bring in this boat ride? Make sure you got the warm jackets, sunglasses, and if it's in winter, make sure you get the winter hats and gloves as well. And now you're seeing one more spin. Amazing. Now you can see how close it goes near the rocks. Look at it. Oh, no doubt the operator is really an expert. Guys, it's zooming past the spectacular sceneries as well. Look at it. One more crazy spin. Look out how nicely it goes on the shallow waters as well. It takes around an hour to complete this jet boat ride. If you are liking this video, please hit that subscribe button. That will help me to grow my channel and keep the videos going. And yeah, take care. And let me know how was the video.